Hey! Oh, it's Jack. It's good to see the both of you.
I heard that we're classmates.
Yes, and I heard also that the teacher who will handle to us was very strict. I hope you're wrong with that, Jack.
Don't act like that. We need to go before the start of our class.
Okay, let's go guys.
Birthday high! Nasasabik sa unang araw ng eskwela.
Oh, we're late. Where our teacher? Bakulaw! What did you say? Ah! Come on guys, let's play. Jack, here in the seesaw.
Thanks. I'm very happy to have a friend like you guys.
Oh, it's alright, Jack.
Merong medyo baging, merong di man nagtupi. Kumpleto sa regalo at
Oh, we need to go home, guys.
Good night, Jack.
Good night, guys.